All right, folks, let's talk about cybersecurity experts, the people who see the world as one giant security vulnerability. Where most people walk into a coffee shop and think about free Wi Fi and good vibes, a cybersecurity expert sees multiple attack vectors waiting to happen. While others connect instantly, they hesitate, checking encryption standards and security protocols before even opening a browser. These are the only people who genuinely get frustrated by weak passwords. While most users think password 123 is good enough, cybersecurity experts prefer long passphrases with a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. To them, a weak password feels like leaving your front door wide open, even if it is just for an office spreadsheet. They have a habit of analyzing everything through a security lens, from online accounts to event invitations. Everything has a potential risk. Even something as simple as a guest list or shared document gets evaluated for possible misuse or exposure. It might seem excessive, but in their world, prevention always comes before convenience. Their web browsers are locked down with privacy extensions, ad blockers, and strict security settings. Websites may load slower or look outdated, but tracking scripts and hidden data collection are kept to a minimum. For them, privacy is worth the trade off. Smart home devices are another concern. While many people enjoy the convenience of smart speakers and connected appliances, cybersecurity experts see unnecessary exposure. Anything connected to the internet can be exploited, and they would rather stay cautious than regret it later. In the end, while most of us quickly click accept all without a second thought, cybersecurity experts are the ones quietly keeping things secure. They may seem overly cautious, but their mindset helps protect the digital world we all rely on.